I am Simon Deliosa. I am a teacher, CCC High School Batch 2008. I have been a musician since 1997. For my most memorable story in CCC, I think there's a lot, like the junior and seniors prom, where students spend the entire night singing and dancing with their friends and classmates. I can also remember things about the celebration of the Foundation Week, where we enjoy a lot of amusement rides together with different food stores, as well as stores that sell different kinds of toys. I can also remember things about the intramurals, where students engage into different sport events, as well as retreats and recollections, where students share horror stories or ghost stories with each other, as well as secrets sometimes. And of course, most importantly, we experienced the love of God during retreats and recollections. And I think last would be my experience as CCC CAT cadet, because I have been an officer during my 4th year high school. So all in all, these things are the most memorable story of my stay in CCC. When I hear the word CCC, it reminds me of family. Family of faithful servants of God. Because in this school, we had a lot of spiritual enhancement activities, like we pray in every subject, we have retreats and recollections once a year. We also have Eucharistic celebrations, Pananagutan Mass, Institutional Mass. We also have Holy Rosary, Angelus. We also pray the 3 o'clock habit. And of course, Gawarasal for every Friday or Wednesday. So these activities really strengthened my faith as a Catholic individual, and at the same time it made me feel that I belong to the family of Christ. There are 2 things that made my stay in CCC memorable. First are the different activities, both curricular and extracurricular activities. Second are the people, my friends, my classmates, my teachers, my advisors. So basically the entire school community. These are the reasons or the things that made my stay in CCC worthwhile. CCC taught me how to love and respect people and God's creation. It made me realize that I was loved. I am continuously being loved. I was gifted with love, and so I am capable of loving. That's why I try to put my heart into everything that I do, so that I will not have regrets, whatever will be the result. After all, I believe that nothing evil will be born out of love. Ako, si Simon Eric Deliosa, at ito ang aking kwento. Ikaw, ano ang kwentong sisisyan mo?